Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Ahola Employee Account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Ahola Employee Account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser you have to search for Ahola Employee Login, and after searching for that it will take you to this page where you have to tap on the first option which says Login. And now what you can do is just scroll down, and here you have to select this middle option, and after selecting that middle option now you can enter your username. After entering your username, just tap on next, and now you have to enter your password. After entering your username and password, just tap on next and you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just simply change your password by tapping on forgot my password, and just follow through some easy steps and you can change your password. And after changing your password, you just have to come back to this login page and just enter the password that you have changed and then tap on next. After doing this, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Ahola employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.